Retro Queen, and I am back with another unboxing for y'all. Today I have the second part of the 90 to the second sneaker of the 90 to drop in the Cuban Link series. I don't know if you're aware, but Nike had these drop this year. I did a video earlier, not too long ago, about the first pair that dropped with a Neapolitan type of colorway. Those are dope. You can check that out after you check this one out. But this one that I have for you today is the Air Max 90 patent Cuban Link 90. Typical construction of a 90, nothing different. You know, they're going with the recraft, so it's a little bit shorter than a regular 90 that we're used to as of late. But if you see here, we have this nice link chain here, a thinner Cuban Link chain. It comes all the way around. This is actually detachable. It comes up. If you can see here closely, there are little tabs here they have that those link to, and it is on both sneakers. So only one chain came with the pair of shoes, but you could put it on either shoe and wear it as an anklet, even if you flip it around that way, which is what Nike was saying to, you know, do with those. Also, as you see, they have the lace lock here, or the dubre as they like to call them, on the shoe. Each one of the sneaker actually has that on it. There you go. And just so we can give you a view here of these sneakers, here up on the overlays and around the front of the toe, that is like a midnight blue patent leather. Then you have the infrared swoosh here. You have the infrared here on the midsole where the air unit housing is. Then you just have a typical white midsole. You have white leather mud guards there. Also on this sneaker, you see here we have the nylon, the mesh here on the top. I really love that part of the sneaker. There's just, you know, that one OG type of thing that they do here. You know, a typical 90. You know, I like my 90s because of the construction of a shoe. It has so many variations and parts that there are so many things Nike can do with colors, with materials, with textures and things like that. If you look on here, you can see here a little closely, the leather has like a little tumble print to it on there. And then the other portion that is leather on this sneaker is right here in the front under that lace lock. If you look closely, that's a little midnight blue tumble leather for you there. And like I said, you got the patent leather on here, you got the mesh on here, variations. I really love the way that they put variations of fabrics on the 90. It gives it such a very nice detailed look on the shoe. And here is the back. You got that Nike Air branding on the back, and that infrared on that midnight blue with the pink surrounding it and the white. It just pops. I love that. If you look on the inside of the shoe, you have again that midnight navy insole with the midnight navy sock liner, and the Nike Air and swoosh on that insole is gold. And you come around to this tongue tag here. If you want to look and pull these laces down and pull this tongue up, you also have patent leather on the tongue. And then you have that gold there, Nike Air Max branding. I can show you guys Nike Air Max branding with the gold swoosh on there as well. So all in all, very dope sneaker. Of course, I'm gonna give you an on foot of these. So one more time, check these out together. See that? These are a very, very, very nice sneaker. So let's check out that on foot.